Every drawing that's created will have at least one layer. Even if you start a drawing from scratch, there will be one layer which is referred to as the zero layer. So if I start a new drawing and start it from just the default ACAD template, it's automatically created with the zero layer but no other layers. This is an empty drawing without additional layers, line types, text styles, dimension styles, or any of those other features that we would expect if we were using a template. The zero layer was created by the program, and therefore it's used for special purposes by the program itself. You can't delete the zero layer. If I try to delete it, you can see that the zero layer is one of a variety of layers that cannot be deleted, such as def points, which is created when we create dimensions, the current layer, layers containing objects, or XREF dependent layers. While every drawing has a zero layer, it's not a good practice to construct your geometry of your drawing on the zero layer. You should create additional layers that you can use for your drawing and to organize the properties of the entities in your drawing. If you should draw something on the zero layer, you can always move those entities to a different layer. One of the purposes that I can use the zero layer for is to create blocks. Blocks that are created on the zero layer will assume the properties of the current layer when they're inserted into a drawing. As an example, here I'm going to change to the doors and windows layer in this drawing, and then I'm going to insert a block. This block is a door that was created on the zero layer. When I bring it in and insert it, you'll notice that it becomes an entity that's on the doors and windows layer. So it's assumed the layer and the properties of that layer. I'm going to delete that and show what would happen if I had a different layer active at the time of insertion. This time it's the wall layer that's active, and when it's inserted it assumes the layer of wall with its properties.